Hi guys, welcome you all to my channel Explore Edu to Teach.
So the next topic that we are going to deal in EDC with respect to MOSFET is going to be the notations of a N-channel MOSFET and a P-channel MOSFET. It is very important for you to understand these notations very well, each and every term in this very well. So it's going to be a short video where we will be talking about the notations in a N-channel MOSFET, the notations in a P-channel MOSFET, the way to apply KVL in a N-channel MOSFET and in a P-channel MOSFET. I hope I am very clear with this and you should understand this very well. So you should know how are the notations for a N-channel MOSFET, for a P-channel MOSFET, the way to apply KVL in a N-channel MOSFET and the way to apply KVL in a P-channel MOSFET. You have to be very clear with this. I hope you are understanding it. You have to be extremely clear with this. So try to understand it. The pictures, all the short notes will be uploaded on my Instagram page. The links of my Instagram page is given down in the description box. Please go and check out. You can get all these pictures, all these diagrams, short videos, reels on my Instagram page, which will be helpful for you. If you like the page, follow me on Instagram as well. Also, all the updates are done on Telegram groups also. The link of my Telegram group is given down in the description box. If you like it, follow me on Telegram as well. So let's begin. So if you talk about an N-channel MOSFET, this is the drain, this is the gate, this is the source. So Ig is the gate current, which in case of MOSFET is 0. VGS is the gate to source voltage. VDS is the drain to source voltage. Always in case of your N-channel MOSFET, the drain is at higher terminal as that of your source. The gate is at higher terminal as that of your source. The IDSN is the drain to source current of a N-channel MOSFET, and the VTN is the threshold voltage of a N-channel MOSFET. Understand that very well. Similarly, you have a P-channel MOSFET. In case of your P-channel MOSFET, we have Ig, which is going outward, equal to 0. Then there is a VSGP, that is the source to gate voltage. VSDP, that is the source to drain voltage. Always remember, as I told you, in case of your MOSFET, beta N-channel MOSFET or a P-channel MOSFET, the gate current is always going to be 0. But in case of N-channel, we have drain to source voltage and gate to source voltage. Whereas in case of your P-channel, we have source to gate voltage, your source to drain voltage, which is very important. Whereas the threshold voltage in case of your N-channel is positive and in case of your P-channel is negative. I hope I am very clear. Hence, I hope you understood what is Ig being a gate current, what is gate to source voltage, what is drain to source voltage is very important. Then we have the concept of KVL, and then we have the concept of KVL in a N-channel MOSFET and in a P-channel MOSFET. So in the N-channel MOSFET, if you see, if I talk about gate to source, it is plus VGG. That is, this VGG is basically this gate voltage over here. Then you have minus of Ig into Rg because the current is in the same direction of our movement. Then you have minus of VGS. Then you have minus of IDS, which is a drain to source current, into Rs is equal to 0. Now if your gate current is 0, as I told you in case of your MOSFET, the gate current is always 0. Therefore, you have the final expression as VGG minus of VGS minus ID into Rs is equal to 0. The reason being gate current is 0 because we have an oxide in case of your MOSFET, which will be acting as an insulator, which will prevent the flow current. Next, again in case of your drain to source voltage, we have plus VGD, then we have minus VDS, and minus of IDS into Rs is equal to 0. then we'll have this voltage. Similarly, if you see a p-channel MOSFET, how do I identify a n-channel MOSFET, p-channel MOSFET? In case of n-channel, the arrow is outward. In case of a p-channel, the arrow is inward. So if I talk about the source to gate loop, we have source to gate loop, this one. We have plus VDD, minus of ISDP into RS, minus of VSGP, minus of IG into RG, minus of VG is equal to 0. Again your IG is 0 over here, hence you have this as the final equation. Similarly for gate to source, so this is your source to gate, and then you will have your drain to source. I think there is a mistake over here, correct this, is a drain to source, not gate to source. For that we have plus VDD minus of ISDP into RS minus of VSDP is equal to 0. So I hope you understood this diagram very well. So this is basically the notations in an n-channel MOSFET. This is a notation in a p-channel MOSFET. We have the KVL equation for an n-channel MOSFET. We have the KVL equation of p-channel MOSFET. So I hope you are very clear with this. Please make a note of all these things. The notes are present in the description box of my YouTube video. You'll get the links over there. All these diagrams will be regularly uploaded on my Instagram page and also on my Telegram page. So please check the links in the description box. Please save those diagrams on my Instagram page or on my Telegram group, wherever it possible for you, and follow me on Telegram as well as on my Instagram page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Please share it among the people, and if you like this, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much guys.